everybody. Today is a good Sunday in the house. The weather doesn't know what it want to do as usual. But today I'm in the kitchen. I know this is usually James' thing, but he convinced me that I needed to do this one. So today we are going to make funnel cake. I'm excited. We found this little kit in our grocery store. Y'all know all the fairs and everything been closed down, so we usually go and get one. But we got a whole kit here, which is supposed to make 8 to 10 of them. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. This is my first time doing this at home. We not doing all the luxury stuff with cherries and strawberries because we don't really get all of that stuff anyway. We just gonna keep ours nice and simple with some powdered sugar, and that's it. So stay tuned for the details. So ladies and gentlemen, when I'm usually in the kitchen, the reason why I'm not usually on camera is because I like to do things a very particular way. But anyway, I got all my stuff together that I need. Bowl for mixing, my little whipper thing here, a spatula because I like to get all my ingredients out the bowl. I already preset my water that I need for the batter. These two are going to be for the end. That's so you can sprinkle the little still sipping, so you can sprinkle the sugar on at the end. So we don't really need, actually we can take these out the way, put that on this side of the kitchen, give me a little bit more working room. So like I said, this is the first time I use this, so I am going to take this out of here, and you're supposed to mix it and pour it back in. So I'm going to take this out and I'll be right back. I'm going to wash this container. So I already got the grease warming up. I got 2 pans here because we actually wanted them all small. Again, this is my first time doing this. So, but I want them to go at the same time so it take half the time to do. I always do that with a lot of things. So the grease is warming up. This one is pretty hot, so I have to turn it down so I can mix the batter. We washed our little funnel thingy. I like to push around a little bit just before I put the water in to make sure everything, all the chunky is gone. Now again, as a chef, everybody doing things their own way. I'm just trying to get some funnel cakes, guys. So it's supposed to end up like they said like a pancake batter. Which y'all can see. I guess I'm supposed to put my fast thing here. I hate when everything's flat. Once it gets a little sweet, I can put it faster. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit of water. All right, ladies and gentlemen, smooth as a battered bottom. Now, I'm going to try, because I am a bit clumsy. Another reason why I don't usually cook with camera. So I'll put this little cloth here. I'm gonna get this in there. I don't know if I want you guys to see this. All right, and this is what my handy dandy spatula is for. I hear the grease popping. I'm about to make a mess. Grew up as the messier cooks usually have the best food, and it's hard to maneuver, but I'm going to do this just for y'all. This is one time. Remember, this is my first time. Hear my grease going. So let's see if we can make, how we gonna make this look. It went straight to the bottom. So my grease might not have been hot enough. Yeah. Okay. That one went straight to the bottom. So that one is going to be good, you guys. So you baby, a big hot.
No, that's right. That's how it's supposed to be.
No, that's not good. There you go. Now let's do it. So it's only supposed to be 30 seconds or to, is you still recording? It's only supposed to be 30 seconds on one side, 20 seconds on the other side, or until you get a little brown. So that's finally floating. I'm waiting for the grease to get its sizzle on. Because even though that one was sizzling really good, I didn't feel like it was hot enough when I really put it in. And this is my thing that I do. Whenever you cook it in grease, I try to drain as much grease off. So I got my pot. It's going to keep it warm. And it's going to suck out the extra grease. Even though funnel cakes are definitely supposed to be greasy. But that's what I do. You want a big one, babe?
Yeah.
That one goes right there. I didn't make it as a salad.
Is there a certain pattern you're supposed to do, or you can do anything?
Anything you know.
No two funnel cakes I like.
Nope. No two funnel cakes I like. That one's huge.
What about the other one? How's the other one?
This one's starting to get a little solid.
You gotta flip it?
It's not brown enough to flip it yet. This is gonna be mine. That one you get that big huge one.
Yeah, lunchtime, baby.
Yeah,
they're looking good.
For lunch.
This right here, that's a big monster right there.
I don't want no monster. That's why I like the little pan.
Yeah. Looking good though.
Yeah, it's starting to solid.
Cooking with Chef Crystal. Cooking with Chef Crystal.
No, I'm the assistant. He just decided to be the cameraman today. I'm just the assistant.
Oh, this cooking with Chef Crystal. You guys, let us know if you guys like funnel cakes. Who all like to go to the fair and the carnivals and get the funnel cake?
And that's another thing. I grew up old school, so I clean up as I go along. So sorry.
They starting to open more stuff up, so hopefully we'll get a chance to go to a carnival or something and get the funnel cake. But this is the next best thing. Cooking with Chef Crystal. Funnel cakes are open.
Nah.
$5.99. You want strawberries on it? It's gonna cost you an extra $5. Oh man. Flip it. There you go.
Ah!
Yeah.
That one wasn't perfect.
That's cool. It's like a pancake funnel cake.
No,
Because you're supposed to be like a pretzel look.
Yeah. But just see how this one got brown up this one?
Yeah.
But it's too big.
Yeah. Flip that thing. Flip that thing. Wop.
It's big. Mama Joe's. Ah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now this one right. This one is perfect.
That look like an egg on me.
This one perfect. I should have spread it out. I went too deep. But that was the first one. The first one.
Yeah, this is the first time she ever did this, guys.
The first one should be ugly. Bet you it's gonna taste the best though. The ugly stuff always tastes the best.
But how hard or easy is the process? It looked pretty easy. Because they had everything in the little kit right there.
Yeah. It's easy. It's easy, guys. It's easy.
You just gotta get the right oil temperature. That's the most important thing.
Well, the right oil temperature is the right way you wanna lay your funnel cake.
Yeah.
Gotta keep your eye on the time because you don't want to burn it. Like this one is not perfect.
Get ready to take it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it cook a little longer. Let's see it still had that. Still had that white bread.
Yeah.
That's a bad. Never do that, guys. You're never supposed to change the temperature in the middle of cooking. That's a bad idea. Bad idea. This one is perfect. Look at you, big one, man.
Yeah. And to get
I
it.
ain't gonna make it that big.
You get ready to sit in there. Ready to sit in there.
It's like a wild octopus. It's like a wild octopus, man. It's like a wild octopus. So here's the sugar part. JT wanted this one. I'll take it the first run. Let's see. Gotta taste it on camera, guys. Just a little bit. Told you the ugly one is always the good one.
That's definitely the ugly one. There go mine,
Oh,
you guys.
your,
Yeah, there go mine.
face.
Yeah. So.
All right, I'm still cooking them, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. We might put a picture. Click the link down below and peace.